like to run on the skis. Some places it's really, really narrow, 15 feet, when the water's down to 10 feet. There also is lots of stumps and stuff all along the way, so it makes it a little difficult. And then every now and then you'll come across the boat. So I try to keep both hands free, especially on this, so I can brake. If I wasn't running near as fast as what I normally would. But it's fun. I wish it was longer than what it is. It's only about, I don't know, maybe 2, maybe 3 miles long, so you get to it pretty darn quick. But it's fun, and there's some definitely tight corners. Sandy should be coming up here in a minute. She's not running quite as fast. She's looking for gators, which on this video, I should have got him on the camera before I turned it back around at me. There was a gator. He was, I don't know, 5 or 6 feet. He went under right in front of the camera, so hopefully you guys can see him on the camera there. But it's another fun day. Here comes Sandy. Can't play on a Fish Pro.